Alright guys, today we're going to be changing the handlebars on this sweet, we got a sweet Harley Davidson here. We got to change the handlebars on it, so we bought some that are like, what are they, 7 inches taller? 7 inches taller than stock. We just got to get them put on there. I can hear my voice ringing in the sun. But anyway, sorry. So let's take a look at this thing and let's get started changing these handlebars. Woo! Look at that thing. Alright, so what we're going to do, we just need to change the handlebars, make them a little taller. I think, it looks like our wires are long enough. I think all we're going to have to do, we may have to do a brake cable. Not looking at that, but though I think the wires are good. But we bought these ProTaper 7/8 bars to put on it. It should bolt right on. And the wiring I think is good. We'll have to look at the brake cable once we get started. But let's get going and get this done.
I keep putting that one.
Is that 4 Allen heads?
Mm-hmm.
What size is the Allen wrench?
6.
6 millimeter. Alright guys, so what has happened, we just figured out, which at the motorcycle shop they told them 7/8 bars. These are 1 inch in the middle. We bought 7/8 bars so they won't fit, the clamp won't fit, but I have these spacers. They're from my old bicycle shop where I changed handlebars before. They space 7/8 bars to 1 inch. It makes it work and clamp in, so we're good there. But if you buy handlebars, make sure to buy 1 inch bars that taper down to 7/8 so your grips and everything will fit. Or you can buy one of these spacers. It's just aluminum spacer. I bought it at a bicycle shop about, when did I get that? When did I put the 8 fingers on there?
8 years.
8 years ago?
No, probably more than that.
Yeah.
At least 8 years.
So, but we're in good shape. We're gonna get this put on here.
So we need to take this part now.
Yep.
It's got.
Alright guys, we got the handlebars on here, but this brake cable isn't quite long enough. As you can see here, oh sorry, I didn't turn you around. It's not quite long enough. We're going to pull it out of the frame and run it down through here. We're going to see if that'll give us the extra length we need, so we don't have to run out and try to find another battery or brake cable, which you'd probably have to order one. We're just trying to get this finished today, so we're going to try that and see if that gives us enough length. The wiring has plenty. We got plenty of length on the wiring. We got enough to tape it, zip it up, zip tie it nice and everything. So
Trying to find it.
let's get this done. Oh, these bars are wide. They're
29.
they're 29. The original ones are 22. So we're gonna cut
Meet somewhere in the middle.
meet somewhere in the middle. We're gonna make them a little wider.
Oh, I might have
We're just
found it.
gonna cut them off with a grinder, and then smooth it up, and then get this thing going. Alright guys, so we gotta take this brake cable loose. It's right here actually. There's a nut and a bolt right here. We gotta take loose. It is a 8mm. Okay, got that out. It's just the well, actually it has a washer and it goes bolt, washer, bracket, washer, and then the actual brake cable bracket. And we gotta take that loose. Looks like it's a 10.
The cool thing is they want to sell you all this stuff. You need new wiring, you need new clamps, you need this, you need that, and it looks like you don't need it.
You don't. Especially if you got...
We're gonna have $33 in this upgrade, and they tried to sell me a whole kit for $110.
Yeah. I think I bought that. It was like $5.
Oh, there you go. So $40 total, and the bars they were trying to sell you were 4-inch bars, and these are 7-inch bars. These are going to be way more better.
And the ProTaper,
yeah.
Chrome Moly, I think. Pretty sure they're Chrome Moly. I think I got it. Yeah, there's one down there.
This is number 6.
6. You got that one. Those two. Did you get the one in the middle?
I'm debating if the floorboard's going to have to come off.
Maybe, maybe not. We'll see.
Looks like 7 total.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. We may have to take the floorboards off as well.
Maybe.
We'll see in just a minute. Alright guys, so you take something to pry with and this slides forward.
Oh,
this is how you would change the floorboards as well, so.
There goes some screws.
Huh? Okay. In the show.
Yeah.
Right, that.
Now we can put it all back together. And then...
Alright guys, well, what we've done here, we took the brake cable out of the frame, ran it down along here. I think it's going to be long enough. Once it comes up like that. Then we're going to have... Oh, that came out. But, alright, so what we've done, we run it down, took it out of the frame, run it down this side. We're going to zip tie it here, run it behind the plastics, and then everything should work like factory. You see that? Just runs up through here, and we'll cable tie it down here just to make everything look good. So stick around, and we're about done. We're wrapping this thing up now. We got to put the covers back on, floorboards back on, and then tie the handlebars up and go for a test ride. Alright guys, there's a notch right here you can see in the plastic, but it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to take this razor knife and just trim that off so our brake cable can come down through here. So it's still nice, and we want to look as factory as we possibly can get. Tire's about flat.
It's probably a lot different.
Just watch where you go. Use your brakes to stop. Go on. Does the brakes work good? Okay, come back up the hill. Hammer it. All the way.
Go.
Now we're not going to get them off of it. What we've done, we've put these ProTaper mini racer. Got them on Amazon. They came with the pad and everything for $33. Got the spacers, probably, I would say it's $5. I don't know, I'll look it up on Amazon. Anyway, the link will be in the description. This is a easy upgrade, and it makes the riding position so much better. And feel more stable, I would think. Anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time, I'm out of here.